Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to flesh out your mannequin and finalize your character. First, add the features of the face of your character. You can refer to my previous video on that topic. Now we will draw the upper part of the character. Start drawing the torso by following the outline of the rib cage. Next, draw the clavicles. Their width should be approximately the same as the one of the torso. And then draw the traps. Next, draw the shoulders. Draw an arc that starts at the end of the clavicle, goes around the articulation and ends around the middle of the upper arm. Then, outline the triceps and draw the lower part of the upper arm. Draw the biceps using a line arching from the top of the upper arm down to below the elbow. Start to draw the forearm with lines going around the articulation of the elbow, and a line going from the elbow to the wrist. Then for the inner part of the forearm, draw an arch starting above the elbow and pointing to the wrist and stopping midway of the forearm. And finish with the last arch going from the middle of the forearm up to the wrist. Now let's draw the hand. For the thumb, draw 3 phalanges. Start from below the wrists and go after the middle of the hand. Then, draw the back side of the hand with a line that goes up to the middle of the length of the hand. And then we will draw the fingers similarly to how we drew the thumb. Draw the phalanges of the middle finger over the second half of the hand. Then draw the index slightly shorter than the middle finger. Finally, just outline the ring finger and the little finger in the back. Next, let's move on to the lower part of the body. Outline the waist going around the hip bone and the femur. Draw the bottom of the trunk with a small arch. For the thigh, draw a long curved line on the outer part and a shorter one on the inner part. Both lines should point to the same location above the knee. Then draw a shorter curve in the inside that points to the top of the knee joint. Then draw 2 lines arching around the knee, and for the lower part of the leg we start with a long arch on the outside. For the calf we use 1 line first starting outward and then going back inward, and we finish with a line following the shin bone. Draw the ankle with 2 arches, the one on the inside being higher up than the one on the outside. Draw the toes using circles, the big toe being larger than the others. And finally draw the inner part and outer part of the foot. And to complete the sketch, we'll mark the top of the pectoral. Now the sketch is complete. You can ink it and erase your pencil strokes. Thank you for watching this video. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe and to visit my blog to learn more about manga making. See you!